Look what I found. And I'll tell you what, I don't remember seeing that thing the last time I was back here, but it had to have been there for a minute. I have no clue. Is that a bird? Or is that a mighty big fucking hornet or something? You tell me. I was back here checking prints. Because in this snow, where's it at? There were some, I'm gonna say coyote. They're not that big. But right here, see that? That's not very big. That's coyote. But there's more than one. Some of them are bigger, so there was multiple. And I can tell they won't walk on this, right? They walk on this on purpose, so it makes it harder to see their tracks. They're not stupid. But, you know, I was enjoying the property. Still messy. Got a lot to unpack and clean up. But back here is where I saw that lame deer, and I wanted to see if it was still nestled down somewhere. I've been trying to do a little plowing with the monster truck, can you tell? But then I saw that fucking thing, was like, oh, wow, what is that? That thing's the size of a basketball. As long as something don't come flying out of there and sting me, I don't give a shit. Oh, it looks like I got another one fixing to grow over here. No, this one's different. That's hornets or whatever for sure. But this one over here, I'm not sure what the fuck that is. Sure is pretty though. It really is. I don't know what kind of critter goes in there, but I'm sure I'll find out. I love nature. I do. I even heard turkeys gobbling out here this morning. Maybe if I shut up, you'll hear them. No shortage of crows, that's for sure. That goes out to the side street. I've still yet to get in that big ass steel building. Snow got the door blocked. I can't even walk out here. I'm in here. Oh, reference. Oh, shit. Yeah, it's almost to the crotch. I can't even back up. Keep sinking. Oh, shit. I don't want to get stuck in this shit. Fucking critter come running out. I'll be in deep doo-doo. Are you laughing? I ain't kidding. Whew, that's deep. It's got to be 4 feet deep right there. Oh, it's so beautiful. So beautiful. I mean, even look at this old crazy beat up tree. I love that. I love it. It looks like, oh yeah, those are bullet holes. Let me zoom. Okay, where am I at here? Right there. Those are bullet holes. They don't even look that old. Where are we at here? Where's your finger, Johnny? Let me zoom back out. Yeah, right here. See that? Bing, bing. I can even see the lead circle. Right? So somebody was shooting this, poking holes in this. Yep, for sure. Those are all bullet holes. Johnny the detective, see the lead ring around the outside of the hole? I'm no dummy. Well, since we're out here in the sticks, What do you say? Shall we add one to the mix? Woo! There's me. So those are 22s. That's a 45 right there. Just saying. Are you laughing? Peace.